Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be telling you how I made over $5,000 from Facebook. I've made over $5,000 from Facebook as a freelancer, and I've made over $5,000 on Instagram too as a freelancer. But today, I'll be talking about how I made over $5,000 on Facebook as a freelancer. So in this video, I'll be going through my phone and I'll be showing you step by steps on what I did and how I did it, and then the tips you can actually follow to make this money for yourself. Okay, welcome back to my channel. My name is Flourish Fulu. In this channel, I show you things how you can do things online, things that have to do with branding, have to do with your lifestyle, and also self-development. Let's get into this video and check out how I made $5,000 on Facebook. To start with, you have to have some skills you need to offer as a freelancer on Facebook, because you cannot just go there and start doing things anyhow. You have to have skill. For myself, my skill was graphic design, video editing, cartoon drawing, sharp data marketing, and virtual assistant. That was what I offered as my skills when I was working on Facebook as a freelancer. You yourself, you can actually be anything: photo editor, videographer. You can be a video editor, rather. You can be a virtual assistant, bookkeeping, anything. Customer care service. You can be sharing a marketer, data marketer, whatever skill you have for yourself. A copywriter, you can be that too for yourself. You can sell these skills on Facebook as a freelancer. So to start with, let's go to my Facebook page. So what you're going to do is you're going to join some Facebook groups, which are non-Nigerian Facebook groups that are foreign Facebook groups in US, in Canada, in the UK, in Australia. These groups are the groups you join to make this money, to sell your services. But basically, what I did was I joined much of US Facebook groups, and I'll be giving you the list of the groups you can actually join to save your services. And then when I started out, I started 2020 as a freelancer on Facebook, and I also started on Instagram too, but I was using Instagram for a while before I switched to Facebook. What I did different was that not as if I had all these skills. I had little of these skills, but I outsourced some of them. So basically what I do is I make sure I get these gigs, do the ones I can do, and the ones I cannot do, I sort them out to people. Like sharing marketing, I can actually do it, I'm good at it. Graphic design, I'm a bit good at it, I'm not a pro. The ones I cannot do, I do it out. Animation design, like cartoon design, drawing, video animation, I'm not good at it, I give it out. YouTube intros, the ones I can do, I do it. The ones I cannot do, I give it out. So these are skills I offered, and then I did it and made me this $5,000 I'm talking about. So you're going to join Facebook groups, US Facebook groups. You can type things like this: US groups, US business groups, California business group, Las Vegas business group, any US states that you think are popular and that you feel that they have good business drive. You can basically, what I did was that I had a group I was in then when I first started. One of the best group I was in, it was a Black on New Jersey group. That's the name of the group. But I was moved from the group. I don't know what happened to the way shuffling the group, trying to know people. I moved myself and few of my friends that were in the group. So that group is a very nice group. Now those groups, they post things like, I need a graphic design to help me design logo, I need a graphic design to help me design flyer, I need a graphic design to do this for me, blah blah, stuff like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be commenting all of those comments, and you're going to be chatting these people. After commenting, you put your link there, your samples of work, you put your link there. If you are lucky, they might chat it by themselves. If you're not lucky, they might not chat. But what you can do is, when you post on this comment, go to the person's page. You can chat the person, inbox the person. Hi, my name is blah blah blah, I can do this for you. And you introduce yourself, send the samples of work you've done, tell them how much you can charge. What can make you beat other customers is if you have a discount price. Like when I used to, when I was still very good at these things, when I was starting off. starting this thing, then I used to charge $40 for logos, sometimes $30, sometimes $20. But the least I've charged for a logo was $20. That was on discount sales. But my normal price on logo design is $40, $50. Sometimes I do discount sale if I see that I need money I only need to waste money for something. I need discount sale of $20, $35. So that's what I do. And then for the juicy part of it, let me let you know that you can charge as high as $500 for a logo, depending on customers you have and depending on who you are talking to. You might be lucky that to have good customers that can pay anything. If your work is good, they can pay for the price. I had a friend who charged $500 for a logo, just a logo design. A logo design you can do in Nigeria for just 15,000 naira, maximum 20,000. You pay a logo designer to help you design a very nice logo, and you can charge as high as $500. Just imagine, do the calculation and do the mathematics. I myself have never been able to get that kind of icky, but I've been lucky to get a logo design for $100. I've been lucky to get a logo design for uh, $50, $80. I'm lucky to do a flyer for $100. So it depends on yourself and depends how you place yourself, how you market yourself. So in this video, I'll be showing you the groups you can join, what you can look out for, and how you can start serving your customer, the gigs you offer, how you can start marketing yourself. And one thing you need to do is, if you want to get customer, you can actually offer your service for free or for free. And when you offer your service for free, you can tell them to give you your review back as payment. So this makes a customer trust you. If you have a page and you have no review of work you've done, people have not worked, you've not worked with people, and they've not seen the receipt of your work that this is what I've done, they might not trust you. But if you have done work for people and they see the receipt, they see that you have done work for this person, the person commented that is a good designer and that he has quality professional and stuff like that, they get you gain that trust through this process. So you can actually start out like this, asking people to give you review back while you give them a free graphic design for yourself. So this is how I started, and I started growing my customer base. Then from there I grew up. If you're new on this channel, what I do is I teach people how to make money online. I teach people about branding and about lifestyle. Kindly subscribe and then hit the like button. If you like my content, kindly comment below. And if you have any question regarding this content, comment below and let us all learn together. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.